Well, good morning. Last day of vacation. We've packed up and we're headed out. Where are we headed, Lexi?
Uranus, Missouri.
Johnny Strong.
Oh, wow.
Look at a turtle.
Oh, my.
Dinosaur.
There's a dinosaur.
What?
Scorpions and balls.
Oh, my.
That's whatever that is.
An elephant.
What's it? A two-headed birdie. A two-headed skull.
Oh,
Two-headed
my.
whatever that is thing. What even is that thing?
There's a picture below is taken the morning near Eastern Province.
What?
I don't know. 3,500 years ago. Oh, look.
Oh, my.
I think it's a mummy maybe.
What's that?
Mummy walks.
That's big. Is that Robert Waters?
Oh, another Robert Wadlow. We know all about him because he's from us. Everybody wants to claim him.
This is a Tesla coil.
Blade
That's
box.
what they used to make electricity back then. This is electric chair. Yeah, see that. Look at a Frankenstein.
Creepy.
Monsters.
How much did you pay for this?
Like $3.
For her and 6 for us.
Yeah.
Not bad. What is in this water here? Are those like legit
It's a
monkeys?
two-headed monkey. One head like bananas, the other like plantains. This freaky monkey died
Or is it just...
in a freak snowstorm in Rio Grande Valley. They were holding hands.
Why is it in the water?
I don't know. I don't think so. This one, these
Are you sure it's not alive?
These are though.
Look at this turtle, Mommy.
I'm coming. That fish is alive. That's a big old sucker fish.
Look at this turtle, and it's alive.
Is that alive?
They're both alive. Look at
This one?
They're the same thing.
Right, like it's an accidental...
It's a deformity.
Yeah, so it's 2 turtles.
Born in 2002 in Louisiana, one of 18 conjoined twin turtles found in a hatching.
So this one's probably alive too. Yeah, it's moving.
Yeah.
So this thing's probably alive also.
That thing has a real deal. Yeah. Look at that,
Yeah, I just watched its eyes move.
Oh, well,
I'm not even kidding you.
that's alive. It's got a long neck though.
I think it's a deformity.
No, so you gotta
We
make a
found the
wish.
Zoltar. We're here at Uranus. We just went through the Museum of Weird Things, and now we're
Alright,
doing
make a wish.
this.
Zoltar, the great gypsy, at your service. Listen carefully. It is better to keep your mouth shut and be thought a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. And also, my friend, it is wise to be taking good advice when you hear it, no? Return to Zoltar, and I will give you more words of wisdom.
Funky Yard. Oh.
Said you want to stick it or tap it?
So we came here to this town called Uranus, and the first clips were of this weird like museum of all the like two-headed things and whatnot. It was actually really cheap, $6 for adults and $3 for kids. And then we went to the general store where Lexi got a little souvenir. And now we're on this random playground over here called the Funky Yard or something. And then after she's done getting out some energy on the playground here, we're gonna go eat at this really good barbecue restaurant. It's got some great reviews on Yelp saying it's like 3 separate people said it's the best ribs they ever had, and Brian likes ribs and I love pulled pork, so we're gonna try that out, and hopefully Lexi likes the chicken tenders there. So we'll catch up with you at the restaurant. We made it to the restaurant. It's called Sweetwater Barbecue. We just finished the barbecue place. Lexi actually loved her chicken bites. The pulled pork was delicious. Brian said the ribs were good. He said they used the small ribs instead of the big ones, but they really tasted good, and I enjoyed their barbecue sauce. So all in all, it was pretty good. Just a long wait. There was a large group there. It looks like the local Fort Leonard Wood here was having some type of like, maybe they got finished with their basic training or something, because there were several men in army fatigues there with their families wearing shorts about like proud mom, proud dad. So thank you for their service. That was really kind of cool to see. So now we have basically another 2 hours and 17-ish minutes to get home. Well, it is several days after filming the last day of our vacation, where we drove home from Branson, and we were on the road and we just got home and started unpacking. And I realized when I went to edit this video that we never actually filmed an outro. It was a great vacation, but we were just so exhausted when we got home. We were just kind of like, oh. So, did you have fun on that vacation, Lexi?
Yes, I had so much fun.
She had so much fun. It was a great time. Definitely enjoyed. I think our water park was probably the favorite, right?
Yeah.
Water park was the favorite. And then what was your second favorite thing? Fritz's Adventure. And then probably third on her list is just Silver Dollar City, only because we had that bad experience with the roller coaster. And that's my fault for reading the sign wrong and not realizing which roller coaster that was. I don't do roller coasters either. So if we go next time, we would probably spend more time in the little kid area, try to get in line for Fire in the Hole, do all the things. So definitely a learning experience, but it was fun.
It was fun.
And so we're filming the outro for this video because what are we getting ready to film for today?
We're gonna film back to school shopping.
Yeah, it's already time to go shopping for school supplies.
Yeah,
School starts in a couple of weeks, so this video is coming out Wednesday, and then the video after that will probably be the school supply video, and then after that will be Lexi's first day of school. So
Yeah.
crazy times. Lexi will be in 3rd grade.
Yeah.
We'll have some cat content coming soon. Lexi really wants a kitty cat, so that is gonna be coming this fall. So
Kitty cat book.
you do. So what do you want to tell everyone, Lex?
Subscribe and hit the bell so you never can when we upload another video. Bye.
Bye.